Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online class with Best English School. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing your homework daily. So today we are going with new topic. Today we are going with new topic in English grammar. Today we will learn the past participle of the verb. Today we will learn the past participle of the verb. Okay? In last lecture we learned simple present tense and simple past tense. This form is used in simple past tense. This form is used in simple past tense. So let's start. What we have to do? We have to write the past participle of the verb. They all are V1. V1 means main verb. You have to write the past participle of it. Let's start. First of all, go. Its past form is went. W-E-N-T, went. Then tell. Told. T-O-L-D, told. Buy. Bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. Make. Made. M-A-D-E, made. Break. Broke. B-R-O-K-E, broke. After it, write. Wrote. W-R-O-T-E, wrote. Then draw. Its past form is drew. D-R-E-W. Then fly. Its past form is flew. F-L-E-W, flew. Then see, saw. S-A-W. After it, ring. Rang. R-A-N-G, rang. Then sell. Sold. S-O-L-D, sold. Come. Its past form is came. C-A-M-E, came. Then catch. Caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. Don't do spelling mistake. Okay? Then sit. Sat. S-A-T, sat. After it, teach. Taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. Run. Ran. R-A-N, ran. Walk. Walked. W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. Jump. Jumped. J-U-M-P-E-D, jumped. Then dance. Danced. D-A-N-C-E-D, danced. After it, drink. Its past form is drank. D-R-A-N-K, drank. After it, eat. Its past form is ate. A-T-E, ate. Then grow. G-R-O-W, so grew. G-R-E-W, grow, grew, grown. Then get. Its past form is got. Get, got. After it, cook. So cooked. C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked. Then Bring. Brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Bring, brought. Then speak. Spoke. S-P-O-K-E. Spoke. Speak, spoke. Then hit. Its past form is hit. Okay. Cut. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Both are same. Then pay. P-A-Y. Pay. Paid. P-A-I-D. Paid. After it, put. Its past form is same. Put. 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 Then give. So gave. G-A-V-E. Gave. Then take. Took. T-double-O-K. Took. After it, kill. Killed. Its past form is killed. K-I-double-L-E-D. Then play. You know it. Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Then cry. Cried. C-R-I-E-D. We remove Y and add I after it, ed. Okay. Why? Because there is a R and it's dig. Dug. D-U-G. Dug. Then dream. Dreamt. D-R-E-A-M-T. Dream. Dreamt. Fight. Fought. F-O-U-G-H-T. Find. Its past participle is found. F-O-U-N-D. Stand. Stood. S-T-double-O-D. Stood. Then close. So closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. Closed. Shut. Shut. It's same. S-H-U-T. Shut. Sing. Its past form is sang. S-A-N-G. Sang. After it, win. So won. W-O-N. Then call. Cold. C-A-double-L-E-D. Called. Then want. Wanted. W-A-N-T-E-D. After it, like. Liked. L-I-K-E-D. Then become. Became. B-E-C-A-M-E. Became. Then help. Its past form is helped. H-E-L-P-E-D. Then read. Read. Spelling is same but pronunciation is different. Read. R-E-A-D. Okay. Then reach. Reached. R-E-A-C-H-E-D. Reached. Throw. Its past participle is threw. T-H-R-E-W. Then open. Opened. O-P-E-N-E-D. Opened. Then look. Looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Then say. Its past form is said. S-A-I-D. Ask. asked, asked. Then visit, visited, visitted. Then pinch, pinched, pinched. Okay, so these are our V1 and V2. V1 means main verb and V2 means past form. It's past form. Let's read again. Go, went, tell, told, buy, bought, make, made, break, broke, write, wrote, draw, drew, fly, flew, see, saw, ring, rang, sell, sold, come, came, catch, caught, sit, sat, teach, taught, run, ran, walk, walked, jump, jumped, dance, danced, drink, drank, eat, ate, grow, grew, get, got, cook, cooked, bring, brought, speak, spoke, hit, hit, cut, cut, pay, paid, put, put, give, gave, take, took, kill, killed, play, played, cry, cried, dig, dug, dream, dreamt, fight, fought, find, found, stand, stood, close, closed, shut, shut, sing, sang, win, won, call, called, want, wanted, like, liked, become, became, help, helped, read, read, reach, reached, throw, threw, open, opened, look, looked, say, said, ask, asked, visit, visited, pinch, pinched. Okay, so this will help you to fill in the blanks of the past form. This will help you to fill in the blanks of the simple past tense. Okay, so students, you have to learn it. You have to write this in your notebook. You have to write this in your English notebook and speak these all words loudly, minimum 2 times. Okay, you have to learn it. If you will learn, it will helpful for your long time. Okay, so please learn it. In next lecture we will go with the new topic. Okay, so you have to write this in your notebook and learn it. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and please do your homework daily. Bye. Have a nice day.